Okay, you're a wood turner and you'd like to find a better way to make some bowls without leaving 80% of the beautiful expensive blank on the floor as chips. I'm going to go over a new tool that can help with that. So keep watching. Hey, Ruth here. Welcome back to the woodcrafting place where we bring you woodworking knowledge to help you improve your time in the shop, make it more effective, efficient, and more enjoyable. So, the tool I'm reviewing today is the Markety bowl saver. This is a knockoff of the woodcut bowl saver. Essentially, very similar system. FYI, what I'm reviewing today was purchased with my own money. This video is not sponsored by anyone. And as always, my review will be my own honest opinion. So I've been looking at the bowl saver options for years, but due to the price, to be honest with you, it wasn't worth it. There's three major bowl savers on the market. There's the woodcut style, there's the one-way, and the McNaughton. The woodcut type system, has recently been marked down in price, and now that the Amazon off-brand version, it's called Markety, you see here, was on sale on Amazon for $179, significantly less than previously. That was previously well over $300 for the unit, so now all of a sudden the price makes sense, right? This tool good for small to medium bowls up to, I believe it's 12 inches, the bowl itself 12 inches. It comes with everything you need. This is a full kit, it's a full system, unlike the one way, which once you buy your knives, you then have to buy a base, and every time you want a different size bowl to produce, you need a different knife that goes in the system, and obviously you'll need a different support. So this comes with two different knives for two different radius bowls, right? Comes with the main platform, which pivots, an arm, the post, and related hardware. And this is what the support for the tailstock looks like. For the $179, you get the whole kit. My initial impression as I looked over the equipment, the platform as it's made, the main support that goes into the tool post is steel, nice and rugged, feels good. This is either aluminum or white metal or zinc alloy or something to that effect. It's not steel, and I suspect down the road, if anything's going to fail, it'll be the platform. The blades are nice steel rigid arcs, so with carbide cutters that are generally not replaceable, you would probably go out and buy another blade if you broke that carbide, which is probably a disadvantage compared to like one way that has replaceable cutters. So just a difference. And the arm, which is basically steel, except for this item, which is aluminum. That's what allows you to pivot, as you'll see, and it holds the blade in place. Nice steel precision tool post. Handle for snugging things down. And again, I recommend using some low strength Loctite on this also, so as you're moving and adjusting and positioning things, the platform doesn't get loose. All right. All the hardware comes with it. One exception, in my normal fashion, I like to be a little overly cautious and focus on safety as far as I can. So the tailstock has a threaded hole in it, right? It's 3/8/16. So I picked up some all thread so that when I bolt it onto the lathe, I can lock this right down to the tailstock. So I'm pretty excited. This is actually the first time I'm going to use this tool, and I've actually been looking for these for probably close to 10 years now, but I don't want to spend 600 bucks. So this price point is a great opportunity for me. So let's put this together and then get it to lathe. Hey, and if you like what you see today, make sure you hit the thumb, smash that thumb to let us know that the content we bring you is of value, that you enjoy it. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. That way you're notified each week of all the content we bring you. Final thoughts on the plus side. Price definitely a selling point. You will pay double this for any other system on the market. It does what it was intended to do. Out of the one bowl blank, I was hoping to get 2, but I got 4. It was easy to assemble. I was able to get working very short order, in a matter of minutes. The challenges. This tool had a crazy amount of vibration, and it was very loud. Yeah, you're probably going to want to wear hearing protection. I would highly recommend wearing a face shield, not just safety glasses. As I expected, the aluminum platform right here, that was the first part to fail. I didn't expect it to fail in the very first bowl. It did. These bolts, you see right here, they stripped out soon after I started working. They're only halfway through. I don't know why, but this block here, the bolts only went halfway through here. This thread's all the way down. Why? Another ½ inch longer bolt, and that never would happen, which is how I handled it. The main pivot, that kept vibrating and backing out. The set screw that was in here, that vibrated out. I never saw where that went to. I had to replace that. And the big one was tool post. This stripped out of the platform, and I don't know if you can see that, but after a lot of deliberation, I decided I was going to weld it in. The cutter design, it's a real wide cutter, and it had a positive brake, so the cutter at engagement was sort of like this. So as the wood's coming, it's grabbing the cutter, pulling in. I looked at the one way, and the one way uses a negative rake, and they use a spear point with wings off of it. That's so much smarter. So recommendations, if you know what you're doing for tool repairs, you have good equipment, you can do welding, you can recut or retap threads at a good price point. I'm sure you'll be able to make this work for you. I would not recommend this for the beginning woodturner. And if you're interested in this or any of the items that we review, the links will be down in the comments below. They are affiliate links, and they contribute a little something to help manage and keep the channel growing. So I appreciate that. And the cost, it's still the same price. No difference to you, the customer. Hey, if you like this video, got some good information from it, and you learned something, make sure you hit the thumb and like, and don't forget to subscribe. That way you get notified each week. I recognize that your time is valuable, and I really appreciate you spending it here with me, and thanks for being here again. We'll see you again real soon.